Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to launch a subscription box business with CreateJoy. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. Launching a subscription box business with CreateJoy is a solid choice. CreateJoy gives you both the website with e-commerce tools and access to their marketplace where subscribers actively shop for new boxes. So, for this, you can simply define your subscription box idea. Choose a niche, define your target audience, and decide on a pricing tier. Now, set up a CreateJoy seller account. Go to cratejoy.com, click Start for free, and create your seller profile. After this, build your storefront. Once this is done, you can also set up your subscription product and configure payment and shipping. After everything is done, test your checkout flow, launch and market your box, and you can simply manage your operations. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.